Hello! And what you're about to see is a few things I saw on day 2 which I didn't see on day 1 as well, because I thought I'm not putting the same stuff up. But as a little addendum, at the end of the stuff I saw, we'll be going through this merchandise monkey mystery box of Mayhem. So that's something to look forward to. Okay, so there were a few of these different mystery boxes of different types at the Comic Con, as I suppose it's the place to do it. But I think the one initially I wanted was the Pokemon one. This has sorts of stuff from all over the place. So let's see what I've got inside here. Okay, first thing that comes to eye is this thing. I have no idea what this is. It's in a bag. Let's open up this bag. What the hell have we got here? It's all taped together. Okay, that is a thing. I'm not sure what that is. I'll put that on my arm. What? I have no idea at all. What's that? It's I don't know what that is. Next, this says Street Fighter on it, so I know where that's from. It's a mug with a Street Fighter mug, and there's Ryu. Sorry about the. Hang on, I'm trying to get no glare. Ryu on that. That's decent, I can use that. I am actually low on mugs at the moment. I have a cap. I'm not a cap person. It's Titanfall cap. Okay. So there you go. It's Titanfall. I've not played Titanfall, either of them. But, you know. Oh! Hitman dog tags. So there's 2 dog tags. What does it say on it? It says Agent 47, gender male, date of birth. It's not as anonymous, he's actually got a date of birth. He was born on the 5th of September 1964. Old Agent 47. Get your cards ready, that date's not too far off. What the hell is this thing? Oh! Get it outside the packaging. This is packaged up really well. So Robbie the Rabbit. I'll take the thing out of his face. There you go, Robbie the Rabbit, looking all bloody, and he's had his fill for the day. So that's Robbie. That's not too bad. It's a wristband with some playing cards in. Oh no, wait a minute. I think that might be Call of Duty. Not entirely sure. No, it's from Evolve. So that's a little wristband, and it has those. Oops, the camera's a bit distance. Little symbols for health, armor, ammo, and verticality. I don't know what it's for. I've not played it. Oh, this I do like. That, my friend, is a Mass Effect 3 keyring. That I like. That I'm gonna put that on my keys. So there we go. Look at that. Mass Effect keyring. I like that. I almost bought one of them separately, so that's a good job I didn't. And that's just saying the type of things you could get in the loot box. Right, so there we go. I've unpacked that. Apparently, I paid £25 for that, and apparently the content is supposed to be worth £70. So we've got the mug. I like dog tags. I like that. The Mass Effect keyring. That's good. Robbie the rabbit. He's okay. He you know, he's a bit drunk at the moment. He's just fallen down there. Wristband for a game that I've not played. What else? I threw it over there, didn't I? I had that weird long thing which I opened up first, no idea what it was, and this cap. So I don't know about other things, but nice Deadpool picture here. Probably can't see because the light gleaming off it. Bought this t-shirt on day one, and now I bought another 2 t-shirts. One with a nice joke about Schrodinger's cat. So yes, that was my Comic Con, I guess.